Guys, in this video we are doing the harmonic balancer install. These are instructions. Pause it if you guys want to. Here's another one. 4 to 5, 5 to 7. Pause that, and the inspection. Okay, and it says here to put RTV in the end of the keyway, which is the other side of this picture, which would be this side. I put some RTV so the oil won't leak out of there. That's what that's for. And oil so you can put around the seal. It says not around here. You can't put none in here. I would put some around here just so it can slide on the shaft better. And I'm using this tool to put it on. The Harmonic Balancer Installer Kit 27144. Put that in and you'll find it. It doesn't show the boxes, it just shows the parts of the tools. And what else? And that's it. I'm gonna pause you guys, put you on the tripod, and guys, I'll show you how I took off the old one. With the old one already off right there, I'll just show you how the tool goes. But I already have the RTV there and a little bit of grease around here. It's just I've already put some around the seal. It's so that the seal won't get pushed in when you're putting it on, you know. There, it actually hits. It locks actually up. So you're gonna get this tool. You're not gonna go crazy and screw it in. Oh, it got really hot just there. Just like that. You don't want to screw it in crazy. It's just to press that in. I feel like I need a... This didn't come with a washer. And I feel like it should, because if I just put this like that, I don't even know how this part kind of goes. Man, this is really hot here. The sun, ow, fuck, it is really hot, but it's got to be done. If it's 100 degrees, 200 degrees, I'm still gonna be out here. So that's just the way it goes. Because I put it here, nothing's gonna float. I put it here, this will float, right? Because the last time I did this, guys, I messed up the bearing. Because I don't think this tool is the right tool. Because it's gonna try to push it through. I need like a, I don't even know what I need. But I'm gonna do it. If it messes up the bearing, I guess it messes it up, right? I'm supposed to hold this one still and move this one. We're gonna try that and see what happens. The bearing's moving like it's supposed to, you know. I think I need a washer, guys. I'm gonna mess up my bearing. I don't know. I think maybe I'm supposed to use the washer. It's because, guys, I haven't done this. I done this twice and I messed up the bearing. This is actually once. This is the second time I do it and I messed up the bearing on the first one. And the bearing looks like it's getting messed up again. It's gonna get pushed into that hole. So